What's going on, people? Finally, one of my budget-friendly items came from Amazon, and I was gonna open it up and do a review. So let's check it out. What I got was a bass tackle setup for the baits and hooks. Budget-friendly, like 10-15 bucks. Comes with I think like 140 pieces, 130 pieces, and then some fishing glasses, some Suoso fishing glasses, polarized, and Plusinno bass tackle bait setup box, all that. So yeah, budget friendly. These are under 20 bucks, $17.99, and these are I think like 12 bucks, between 10 to 15 bucks with tax. So the only thing with these is that I got the wrong lens color, the ocean blue. You have to do your research for if you're using it for fishing, for inshore, outshore, offshore, inshore, whether freshwater or saltwater. The inshore, I guess, from what everyone's saying, the inside lens of the glasses are it has to be polarized, and the inside lens should be turquoise or green, I think. Or is it the outside lens? Either or, you have to make sure you get the right lens for the style fishing you're doing. So inshore fishing, whether freshwater or saltwater, you're gonna want like a green tint, and then for offshore, ocean, deep water, you're gonna want the blue tint. And then I guess there's two other settings when when it's like that, cloudy and stuff. I guess is a gray tint. But definitely go do your research. I'm an idiot, and but you can still use these when I do saltwater. But I'm gonna have to go and purchase again and get the right tint for freshwater bank fishing and inshore fishing, which is a green tint. And then the tackle boxes, all the hooks and soft baits and lures, comes in a bundle, so it's like 130 pieces, 140 pieces, but we'll check. Alright, so it comes with a really nice case, pretty durable, not flimsy. There they are. Got some little accessories, nice. Got the little necktie or whatever to go around, and some cleaner material, and obviously info and stuff. Oh, I got a little clip too, nice. Then there's something here to check out the. There's like an image on here that you can't see unless you wear the glasses, so we'll check that out. So it comes in plastic, so it's, I think it's scratch resistant, but I'm not sure, but that's nice. So here they are. Seems like a nice build, flexible, so that's good. Alright, hold on. Alright, so there's the image, but you can't see it, but I'll put the glasses on so you can see it. Hold on. So let's see if we can get it. So there it is without the glasses, and get it. Oh, that's cool, huh? Obviously with the camera, it's not picking it up the way I'm seeing it, but it's very clear. Nice. All right. Now let's go check out the tackle box. And here's the tackle box. So that's cool. Get an awesome little pamphlet for tips and advice and stuff. So that's cool. Probably to tell you how to set all the hooks and the baits and all that, and the weights. But 137 pieces. Okay, all right. Including soft baits, hard baits, fishing hooks, sinker's weight, spoon lures, fishing accessories, and more. Yeah, so they're all packaged up. It's not bad. I mean, you go to Walmart and you still got budget-friendly stuff there, but you're buying them individually. So for $15 at Walmart, you're only getting, 4 to 5 items. So for 137 items, it's really, really cool, and it's budget-friendly. So $17, almost 20 for the glasses, almost 15 for the bait, or tackle box and bait setup and all that. So that's awesome. Cool. Obviously, in the next week or two, be going on a fishing trip. Going on a lake, or I'm gonna try to find a lake this time, not a pond, but either or. Looking forward to it.